I'm back to my room and let's discuss what we'll have today. So we have 6 papers, long and short. We also have 4 extended abstracts where the authors share some of their work that has been presented elsewhere. We also have 5 shared task papers. So we try to organize these papers according to the topics, and we ended up with the following modules. We have one on computational approaches to typology, one more on multilingual representations, new corpora and databases, one on the shared task. We also have 3 keynote talks, and in between we'll have some coffee breaks and we'll play linguistic trivia. So you can follow the link to check the schedule. So and we have 3 fantastic keynote speakers. Kristen Howell, who is originally from the University of Washington, will discuss grammars for lower resource languages. Graham Newbeck from CMU will tell us how to get resources for under-resourced languages. And Isabel from Stanford will talk about language and multilingual representations. What can be learned about language from those representations. So, and in sigtyp 2022, so we had a shared task on the prediction of cognate reflexes that was led by John Matisse-Lee. So in short, the task is on the prediction of missing parts of cognate sets across languages. So, and this task features many typologically diverse language families, and during the shared task session, Matisse will go through the task in more detail. So, of course, I would like to thank all the organizers, and I would like to thank our awesome program committee members. And at the end of the workshop, we will announce the best paper award, but meanwhile, till 4 p.m. Seattle time, you can follow the link and vote for the paper that you like the most. So, and I'd like to talk a little bit about our principles. So this workshop will be hybrid. So there will be in-person part, but it will also happen online. So, and we have completely free and no registration for the online part. So we put everything on our website so that you can find it on sigtyp.inf.ethz.ch. Here is the workshop page, so you can check the schedule, and there you will also find all the links for pre-recorded talks, for the slides, and for the papers. And you will also find a link to our Rocketchat channel that will be used for the online discussion. So here is the channels. So we typically have the general channel for general announcements. You can use introductions to introduce yourself. And for each paper, we have its own channel, and also the same for keynote talks. And the shared task papers all are shared in this single channel. So, and the in-person part will be led by Hila and Jonas. So they will guide you through the workshop, and they will be your hosts for today. So now I would like to talk a little bit on sigtyp as a group development. So as most of you know, sigtyp has been founded in December 2019, and since then we reached 436 members in our Google group. So we also organized online lecture series in 2021. So we have 30 lectures in total, and you can watch any lecture that you want, and you can easily reach out to the speakers as well. So those are from 2021, but for 2022, we are planning to continue this initiative. So, and of course, you can watch all the lectures and the presentations from the current workshop, from the previous workshops on our YouTube channel. And in 2019 till 2021, we used the SoftConf as the main platform for reviewing. And for 2022, we switched to the open review. So we'd like to hear from our authors and reviewers about their experience. And probably we will continue with open review for 2023. And of course, our next edition should happen in that year. So to improve the experience, so we'd like to hear from you some feedback. Also, later this year, there will be some other workshops that I'd like to mention. So there's one workshop on multilingual representation learning, which runs under the sigtyp umbrella. It will be collocated with EMNLP, and it will be happening in Abu Dhabi. So Duygu and Hila, who is present here, will organize this workshop. So, and this workshop features a shared task on multilingual close-level morphology, which further develops the Sigmorphone series of shared tasks on morphological inflection. So this is organized by Omer El-Reoud. So please also consider participating in the workshop, in the shared task. So, and another workshop that I would like to mention is collocated with calling. It's called Field Matters. So the workshop on documenting and languages and the automating the work of field linguists. So it will be happening in Republic of Korea, and Oleg Zarikov is one of the main organizers. So, and the workshop features the shared task on processing of the field work records. Please consider participating in this shared task. So, and finally, I would like to mention that we have many members from different communities, such as ACL, Association of Linguistic Typology, and also ARC Center of Excellence for the Dynamics of Language. We also would like to thank our sponsor, Google. And again, thank you, and Women Jacka, and enjoy your workshop.